Hi everyone, this is Pierrick from P2 Design. A few days ago, I just hit the 100,000 subscriber mark here on YouTube. While it's humble compared to most of my peers, this is a huge milestone for me. I've published my first tutorial 8 years ago and I never stopped ever since. And I've now more than 300 tutorials available here on YouTube. It's a pretty slow growth though, probably because of my lovely accent. But if you watch 2 or 3 year old tutorials here on YouTube, you'll probably notice some improvement. But I believe the main reason of this slow growth is my content. Because I'm not creating entertaining content, but I strive to create as accurate and legit educational content as possible. Things that you can learn and use both as a hobby and professionally. And I won't change that. It's often a struggle to find new tutorial ideas and to be skilled and legit enough to record them. So if you have any requests, please drop them in the comment below. Also, as I'm recording a new course, I'm 100% focused on it. And it's even harder to spend time recording stuff for YouTube. But don't worry, there's a new one on the way and it will land very soon here. And the great news is Nicolas is also recording a new course, and I can say that the quality is above what we've done before. Now the other good news is that I'm running an exceptional sales exclusively on p2designacademy.com with a 25% discount. Use the code U100K during the checkout. The sales end on the night of the 16th of July CEST. I don't run sales that often because I believe in the value of my courses, and yet I try to make them as affordable as possible for as many people as possible. Some said I could price those courses above the $500 mark and it will still be fair. Yet I know it's still a struggle for many people in the world to afford my courses, and these sales are important. And let's be honest, everyone loves discounts. But I prefer to run sales only during the Black Friday or for special events like a course release or this special milestone to me. I feel like running summer sales, spring sales, Mother's Day sales. This is not Monday sales, my cat is cute sales is really devaluating for us creators and also for our products. Or overpricing a product and offering a 70 to 90% discount every 2 days feels like a scam to me. So I hope you can enjoy these sales, and there will be more in the future during the Black Friday or for the next course release. Also, I'm working every day to improve P2 Design Academy and to make it the only platform where to follow my courses, offering more free content and a better user experience with streaming services. You can still buy most of my courses on the Blender Market, on Gumroad, on Flipnormals, on ArtStation. And if you did, you can get enrolled for free on p2designacademy.com on the course you purchased by filling this simple form. Let's be honest, I can't wait to receive my little fancy trophy from YouTube. So I'd like to thank you all for subscribing and making it to this point, and I hope many more people will join. So if you like my content, please consider giving it a like, share it with your friends, with your community, drop a comment complimenting my progress in English. That will sure please my English teacher. With that being said, I will see you soon here on YouTube with more tutorials and on p2designacademy.com with more content. Thanks again, see you, bye!